Hi, I'm Prajwal from Indore, India, and this is my CS50 final project Attentive. Assume you are watching a movie with your friends. 5 minutes in, one goes to grab water and another gets a phone call. And when they come back, they ask a dreaded question: what did I miss? So you have to explain the plot or guess how far back to rewind, completely ruining the experience. To fix this, I built a software that keeps an eye on the audience so you don't have to. Attentive runs on a lightweight floating dashboard. I just hit start, it automatically monitors the presence and gaze. Watch what happened when we play the movie. When my friend gets up, the camera detects only one face. Instead of pausing immediately, it starts tracking how long my friend has been gone. Now, watch what happens if I look down at my phone. The system detects zero viewer and automatically pauses the player. But here's the magic part. When we both look back the screen, Attentive instantly resumes the movie and it automatically rewinds by the exact duration my friend was out. Under the hood, this was written in Python, uses OpenCV and HAR cascades running on a dedicated playground thread to track faces and eyes without freezing the UPI. When attention is lost, when attention is lost or restored, it uses the native Windows Win 3.2 API to eject universal keystrokes. This means it natively controls Netflix, YouTube, VLC, or even your Spotify. So beyond the group movie nights, this is perfect for hand-free cooking tutorials or automatically pausing the lectures when you lost the focus. This was Attentive and this was CS50.